Okay, so I have signed in now as a student. So what I would have done is I went to Office 365. I would have used Google Office 365 sign in, and then you would have had an email, which is usually, if your name is Paddy Smith, it might be paddy.smith@castleknockcollege.ie, and then you'd be given a password. And generally, first time you'd have to change your password to something you'll remember. So it might be maybe your mother's maiden name, your first dog. Try not to use something that maybe everyone might guess, like your favourite football team or something. And try and have maybe some numbers in it as well. But whatever it is, make sure you have a record of it. And you will be using this again and again, so make sure you don't forget it. So keep a record of it. So I have signed in as a student here. And there's a few different things we need to have a look at. So for example, in Outlook here, I'll have a chance to have a look at my emails. So I can email students or teachers, and you will be emailing homework from time to time, so that's something that we'll definitely come back at and look at again. First time you do it, you have to sign in, and it's going to want to know where you're based. So it needs to know the time that you have in the country that you live in. Okay, so we're going to go and move down to Dublin. No, that's not. So where's it now? Dublin, Edinburgh, Lisbon. So it's UTC +00. And we save it, and then it will open up Outlook for us. So that's our email now, and there's a couple of emails here that have been added, so we'll have a look at those a little bit later on. But for now, we can see that we've signed in. We've got Microsoft Word we can use to do documents, Excel. But I think the first thing that we need to do is we need to prepare ourselves for where we're going to store information. So one of the big problems that happens is students forget where they put things. So we store everything here in OneDrive, so that means it's always accessible if you're in the school, if you're at home, if you're on your mobile phone. Once you sign into your Office account, you can get access to all of your information. Okay, so no, that OneDrive didn't sign me into the correct one, so I'm going to sign in now. Okay, so normally OneDrive, when we look at OneDrive, you're going to see that it'll have a list of different folders, and we'll look at creating some of those folders. Okay, back to our mail, just so we understand how our mail is going to be used. The first time you use it, you can see there's a delay here. First time you use it, it takes a little while for the mail to set up, but once you've done it a couple of times, you should find it quite straightforward. So to make a message, first time you go to New Message, and it will give you a choice of where you want to send the message to. Okay, so I want to send a message. Okay, and it's giving you some hints here of some of the things you can do, and there are contacts and names and addresses you have. But as you can see, first time you use it, it's going to kind of guide you through it, and the same with a lot of the other things that we'll have on OneDrive. Okay, so my advice to you is familiarize yourself with it. Read what it says on the screen and get familiar with it. We'll come back to this in a second video, and we'll look at the detail of exactly how that works. Okay.